I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by BitcoinWell.com, the simplest and quickest way to buy Bitcoin in the US or Canada and get it directly into your own self-custody. Check them out today at the links down below.
Well, I'm bullish because we have a way out of the current system. I understand there's a lot of negative momentum right now in some people's minds. There's drama over where are we going to go from here, and is it going to be possible to get Bitcoin into the hands of everybody who needs it? And I think these are good challenges to discuss. But I mean, there's just such an overwhelming amount of positive potential that we can have before we even get to those challenges. The number one obstacle right now is education. Is just helping people understand what Bitcoin is, and there's nothing even close at the moment. Bitcoin, the network, can accommodate many more tens or hundreds of millions of more people as daily users without running into any issues. And that's where I really would like to help, more of us focus on. It's just the truth. I mean, there's so many people who don't understand the difference between Bitcoin and other currencies. There's a lot of people who don't understand how Bitcoin works, how to use it. The lack of good education in different communities around the world is still the major issue. There's a lot of confusion over different altcoins, unfortunately, that lead people to get scammed. That turns them off from Bitcoin. These are human problems that are very real, and they are, in my mind, the major obstacles to greater Bitcoin adoption. So I'm bullish because all of this can be done with human-to-human networks and sharing. There are no obstacles. It's just a matter of more resources, more time, more energy, more people like Ben. I mean, and I think it's pretty unstoppable. And another reason to be bullish is, there's nothing, Bitcoin's fine. Bitcoin's going to be fine. Bitcoin's doing its thing. The question is the users, are we going to be able to reach people who need it? And are users of Bitcoin going to be safe? I think those are open questions, but I think so grateful that we have this technology and that it's done what it's done so far. And the possibilities are completely limited.